Hello everyone, welcome to Pushpa Notes Channel. Welcome to a new series on this channel called the Summer Holidays Workshop. In this series, we shall work on small arts and crafts projects that will be quick, easy and enjoyable to do over the summer holidays. In this video, let's draw and color 5 kites. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಚ್ಚೋಣ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಹೇಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಕೈಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಟು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೋನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಕೈಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ a curve and then this. So you see this is longer than this and then this is in the center. Iga 4 point ide alva illi. There are 4 points. Join these 4 points. When you join this, make it seem like a triangle, and here and here. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿಸ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಬಾಲ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಅ ಕೈಟ್. ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Here are the 5 kites that are ready to be painted. Let's start with painting the kite that has polka dots. The name of this color is rose, but you can use any pink color that you have. While that's drying, I'll paint some purple or violet on this kite number 2. I really like the eyes on this kite. And then I'm going to paint a darker version of the purple on this third kite. I use cerulean blue with purple. This is a nice combination. Watercolor needs time to dry, that's why I'm moving from one kite to another. I have a mixture of sap green and olive green in this watercolor palette. I use this color quite a bit. And now I'm going to add some gamboge yellow. I think I'm going to put some more pink on this kite here. And let's add some orange stripes along with the green. Oops, the pink paint wasn't dry and I put my hands in it, but that's okay. These things happen with watercolor paints. I like this orange and green combination. I don't get upset if I put my hands in wet paint here. I'm used to it. Just continue to paint and enjoy the painting. As you see, I painted over it. And now I'm going to add a little bit of deeper pink, or you can even use red if you have it. Let's add smaller dots on this. They look like freckles. And now I'm going to go in and add some white polka dots. That is some leftover paint that I had from another painting video. It's white acrylic paint, I think. I can't remember because I do a lot of painting. I allowed all of this to dry out completely. Now I'm going to use a fine liner pen and draw outlines on all of these kites. For me, I particularly enjoy drawing the outlines because it makes the painting stand out and it gives it an illustrative appearance. This painting took me approximately 40 minutes, including the drying time. And if you use colored pencils, it may take you about an hour, but it's 1 hour of creativity, which is very good for our well-being. Drawing eyes are a bit challenging for me because they don't come out evenly for me. In this, I think the right eye is slightly larger than the left eye, but it's still fun to draw, and it seems like the kites are smiling at me. I hope you enjoyed this painting session with me. This concludes the video, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!